Hello there, my name is Stephen from London Roof Surveys. I want to talk to you about virtual consultations and how they actually work. In the background you can see some of the videos that I've put on YouTube. That means people see these and they ask me questions and do all sorts of scenarios from all over the world. Well, you don't have to be anywhere particularly, you can always send me information, and if you send me information I'll probably return a video to you, which will be a video very similar to what you're seeing now, me talking directly to you, but I'll be moving the mouse around. Now let me just show you how that will work. I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to disappear from the right hand side. You will then see me appear on the left hand side and you'll see my mouse move around, and also the audio on some extracts of how some of these actually have worked in the past. If I just show you what I mean, I'm talking about the height of that particular part there is exactly the same as it is over here on this particular one. So I can tell that the insulation underneath it, because you've told me there's insulation on the email, that's not a problem because you've chosen a day where it's not raining. If you think it's going to rain, what we would normally do is say leave the front piece of timber off so the water can just drain out. Everything is covered with the silver Alu-Trex. The coping stone which is there, I would like to understand what it looks like up underneath there and how much it overhangs the wall. What do I mean by that? If that's your wall like so and the coping stone is on the top and it's like that, how far does it overhang on the side, and is there a drip detail just there? So there you go, that's a virtual consultation. Now, if you've got a big problem and you really need lots of help, I will have to charge for my time, and I normally charge by the hour. I'll put the prices and the breakdown of how that works down below. You might have a problem with a builder, you might have a problem with a roof or a roof that's gone wrong, you might have a sweating roof. There's all sorts of different things. You might be buying a property and you don't know quite what the cost of the new works that need to be done. Surveyor's report has got a few things on it saying you must do this, you must do that. So they're the kind of things that I can answer the questions without actually coming out and having a look at the roof, or and give you a basic idea of costs and different things that we can do. So if I can be of any help to anybody, please send me over the information. Hopefully this has been helpful. Speak soon.